The power of hard work and discipline. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Success doesn't come overnight. It's not about luck or talent. It's about hard work and discipline. These two things separate those who dream from those who achieve. In today's video, I'll share an inspiring story that proves anyone can reach their goals if they are willing to put in the effort and stay disciplined. Let's dive in. The story of Daniel. Daniel was just an ordinary guy. He grew up in a small town where people believed success was only for the lucky ones. His family wasn't rich, and he had no special talents. But Daniel had a dream. He wanted to build a better future for himself. At 18, he moved to the city to study. He wanted to get a good job, but there was a problem. He wasn't the smartest student, and he had no connections. The only way he could succeed was through hard work and discipline. The first lesson: waking up early and staying consistent. Daniel knew he had to do something different. While others slept late, he started waking up at 5 a.m. every morning. At first, it was painful. His body wanted to stay in bed, but he forced himself to get up. He used those extra hours to study, read books, and improve his skills. At first, he didn't see any results. It felt like nothing was changing, but he kept going. After a few months, something incredible happened. He realized he was ahead of his classmates. While they struggled with assignments, he finished them easily. His discipline was paying off. The challenge: pushing through failure. Even with his progress, Daniel faced failures. He applied for internships but got rejected multiple times. Each rejection felt like a punch to his confidence. He wondered if all his hard work was pointless. But then he remembered something. Winners don't quit. He analyzed his mistakes, improved his resume, and practiced his interview skills. Instead of feeling sorry for himself, he used failure as a lesson. On his 11th attempt, he finally got an internship. It wasn't the best job, but it was a start. Discipline taught him that failure is not the end. It's just part of the journey. The power of doing more than expected. Most people do the minimum required, but Daniel understood a secret. To stand out, you must do more. At his internship, he didn't just do what was asked. He worked extra hours, learned new skills, and took on extra tasks. His boss noticed his dedication. After 6 months, the company offered him a full-time job. He wasn't the most talented person in the office, but he was the most disciplined. The transformation: hard work pays off. Years passed, and Daniel kept the same mindset. He never stopped learning, never stopped improving. His early mornings and extra efforts turned him into an expert in his field. One day, he received an offer from a top company. The salary was 10 times more than his first job. His hard work and discipline had completely transformed his life. Now, when people ask Daniel about his success, he smiles and says, "I'm not special. I just worked harder than others and stayed disciplined when they gave up." Daniel's story proves that hard work and discipline beat talent every time. You don't need to be born smart or lucky to succeed. You just need to wake up early and use your time wisely. Stay consistent, even when you don't see immediate results. Keep going after failure. Every mistake is a lesson. Do more than expected. Go the extra mile. Success is simple, but it's not easy. The question is, are you willing to put in the work? Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay disciplined, keep working hard, and success will come your way. See you in the next video.